What's going on, guys? This sun is super bright. Night is just going crazy right now. Glad to be outside. Anyway, guys, I got a little project that I finna do. Let me get over here in the shade because this sun is like brutal. Anyway, I got a little project for you guys. I know most people in car shows like to have like chromed out, painted out valve covers and stuff like that. Just custom looking valve covers. I know you saw my Mustang. You gonna let me talk? He ain't gonna let me talk. Anyway, guys, you know y'all saw my color shift valve covers on the 1998 Mach 1, so I gotta do a little bit something for the V6. Not much, but just a little bit. So this right here is my valve covers for the V6, and it is terrible. Flaking, messed up, greasy, all that stuff. Here's the stuff that you need to basically clean it up real nice. Actually got that in the wrong order, but let's go ahead and put it right here. All right. First of all, you're gonna need safety glasses and some gloves. I don't have the gloves out right now. What you want to do is you want to put some degreaser on here. Get a wire brush or some type of wiring tool. And get all the flakes, and like if you got like aluminum valve covers or something like that, get all that cleaned up. Get all the dirt and debris off of it. Then after you do that, you want to wash it off, let it sit and dry for a couple hours. Make sure it's fully dry. Then you want to hit it with high temp engine primer, then a base coat, the final coat. This is going to be the final coat color, and this is just something that I had left over from the valve covers on the other one. A little bit of gold flake just to give it a little bit of shine, if you know what I mean. But yeah, little man is just sitting here watching. He's bad as ever, got grass all over him, but he gonna need a bath later on anyway. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. I'm excited to see how this thing turns out. So cue time lapse. Not really clean, just got all the flakes and paint off of it. We're gonna spray it down with some degreaser, let it sit, break it up some more, and then we're gonna go back to scrubbing again. Alright, now since they are dry and cleaned up and whatnot, degreased, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the first coat, which is going to be primer. Get rid of all the metal spots and all that stuff and help the paint adhere to the surface a lot better. Make sure you do this in a well ventilated area because this paint is extremely strong, so just make sure you're doing it outside or in the garage with the garage door open, something like that. Don't do it in the house, don't do it inside your car, all that stuff. And make sure your pets are around somewhere else because you don't want them to get into this stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get to painting. here's the not finished product, but close to it. Kind of give it a little shiny metallic look, make it look like it's I guess aluminum, which they are, but you know, cleaner. And what I'm finna do with this is basically I'm finna just mist it over the top of it so it can have some type of gold flake over on top of it. I feel like that would give it a nice looking look, so let's see how that goes. And whenever you take off valve covers or paint them or repair them or just change them out, whatever, if you take off valve covers, make sure you put new hardware, new grommets and rubber gaskets, because as you can see right here, this one is messed up. So we're gonna replace all these little rubber pins in here, the new ones right here. Replace these with this right here, and you don't have to replace the oil cap, but if you want to, go ahead. But yeah, let's go ahead and install that on here. Alright guys, now this is the final product. Kind of going with a black and silver theme with this car. So black and silver on the valve covers. They look pretty good. Got the hint of gold on it. Looks alright. Like I said, this is a budget build for the Fox body, so don't expect anything like great, because I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on this car because I still have this one to deal with. The Fox body is just a little play around toy that I can work on and just have some fun with. But other than that, it looked pretty good, and it wasn't much to paint these, so I just went ahead and did them. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to watch more videos of the Fox and the build of it, please subscribe so you can figure out what's going on with it next. It's getting pretty close to that time to where I'm gonna put the motor in the Fox body. I still got to do the brake lines, I still got to do the fuel lines, still got to do the gas tank, and that's pretty much it for the outside. Then the inside I have to do the wiring, the dash, and all that stuff. So yeah guys, just follow the build, follow along with the build to stay updated, because I know there's a lot of you fans out there that like Fox body, so let's follow along with this Fox body. But alright guys, that's it for this video. See you on the next one.